Hello, thank you for joining this video. Here I would like to show you how to create a shipping and returns page for your Shopify store. So first of all, let's start with our Shopify admin panel, and we need to create the page. So we go to online store and then to pages here. So to create the page, we simply need to click on add page here. And now let's give it a title. So we can of course name it shipping and returns, or just shipping, or anything that you find suitable for your case. Then here in the content, we just simply need to add the actual text for our shipping and returns policy. So here you can actually modify it as you please. You can enter the HTML code, you can insert tables, pictures, videos, you can add links to the text. So let me just add this text here. So as you can see, we have a linked word in here that leads to the contact page. We've also made these headings bold, so feel free to modify it as you want. Next, make sure that the visibility is set to visible. If you click on hidden, then your page will exist in your admin panel. However, it will not be shown in your actual store. So make sure you set to visible if you want to show this page now. If you just simply want to create the page and leave it for later, then just click on hidden here. So we choose visible for our case. And next we need to choose the theme template. So we have the default page, and then here, as you can see, we have a few theme templates. So for our case, since we are doing the shipping page, let's choose shipping template. And now let's click on save here. So now we've created our page, but we now also need to go to our theme customizer here. Let me just refresh the page. And from here, we need to choose the shipping page. So we click here, then we go to pages, and then let's go to shipping. So as you can see, we see that this theme template is assigned to one page. And this page is shipping and returns. This is the page that we just created. So now let's return to our theme customizer. And here, as you can see, we have our header group. So we have our menus, we have the cart drawer, and here is the actual template. So to here, you can actually add any sections that you want. You can add maybe your featured collection. You can add some image related sections. For example, here we have banner with text. We can of course go in and customize it. We can add the picture, for example, here. We can change the text, the label, the heading, so feel free to modify it as you want. And now let's go to the actual, here as we can see, page content. So this is all of this content. It's taken the text from our Shopify admin panel. So whatever text you add in here, in this content section, it will duplicate here in our page content. And as you can see, there are actually no settings except for the offsets for the desktop and for mobile. Offsets are these space in between sections. So as you can see, we've decreased it. We can of course increase it back, like here. And apart from this, there are no other settings for these sections, as this page content just simply takes all the content in that you add in here. So for example, if we add any image in here, then of course this image will also be in here. So for example, let's add an image here at the end. Let me just click on insert image, and we can choose any image that we have from our library. So we have the product images, the uploaded images. So for example, let's take in this product image. We can also choose the size of this image. So let's choose this one. Let's click insert. As you can see, we get the image now here. Let's save, and we can go to view the page. And this is our shipping and returns page. As you can see, we can see the name here in the breadcrumbs. This is our section that we've added, the banner with text. Keep in mind that you can of course add other sections. Just click here on add sections and add any section that you'd prefer. So now let's just scroll down here, and as you can see, here's our text. So let's now scroll down to the picture, and we also see this picture that we've just added. Keep in mind that you can of course add videos, you can add like links if you need, and as you can see all the changes that we made. So we made these headings in bold. As we can see, they're all also in bold in here, and these are all of the instructions for our shipping page. As you can see here, once again in the page content, there is not a lot of changes that can be done. We just simply toggle the offsets. We can add sections, we can remove sections, for example, but all of the content is added in here in your Shopify admin panel. So thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. We're always here to help you. And don't forget about our theme manual, where you can also find all of this information as well. Take care. Bye.